Hello everybody, this is Celesta Matthews and today we are going to see a program which is based on absolute loader. So what actually an absolute loader does is that it takes the input as the object program and then whatever is there inside the text record, that means each and every opcode, it uploads it into the memory location that is specified in that particular record. So there is no need of relocation in this particular kind of the loader. And so we have the code over here. First we are asking the user to enter the number of lines and the input. Now using string tokenizer we are separating the input using these kind of symbols which separates the opcode. Next what we are doing is we are running the while loop till we get till we reach the end of the input, and if my the starting, that is if my token is t, that means it's the text record. And so what I do is I take the next text record, that means that will be my starting address. So once that is the format of the text record, first you have the text record, then you have the length of the starting address of the text record, then the length of the text record, and then the whole opcodes. So first thing that we take is the address, that is the starting address. I take that and I store it into ADDR. Once that is done, after that I will have the length of the text record and then I will have the opcodes. So those opcodes are stored inside TOK for now. Now what I do is I run a loop till I reach another text record or I get another end record. So another text record, that means I will have another starting address, and another end record means I reach the end of the program. So I have to stop this loop at that particular condition. Now what I do is in every opcode we will have 6 digits, that means they are of 3 bytes, that's one word. So what I do is I have to split it into one word each. So I use the substring and I split it into one word each. That means I have 3 words now. So using the address that was mentioned in the first parameter, I just print them out and I increment the I value by 2. And so likewise I calculate the substring. Now once that's done, I read the next token. Now whatever is the next token, if it's another text record, then as this is the while loop, I will reach the end of this if condition and then I'll again continue with the while loop. So again I get another text record, that means it will enter this particular condition. Here it will enter this condition. Now what I have to do if it is an end record? If it is an end record, then I have to stop this loop and come out of it, because that will be the end of my program. And otherwise, if it's not the end record, then I will have to scan the next token. So that's how this code will work. I have already executed the code over here. So the number of lines entered was 4, and these are the input programs that I gave. I have header, the name of the program is copy, the starting address is 1000 and the length is 23. Now the first text record, the starting address is 1000, length of the text record is 0C, and these are the 2 opcodes that I have. And for the next text record, the starting address is 2000, the size is 1E, and these are the opcodes, and then I have the end record. So I have printed the whole input over here. After that, what I have done is at 1000 I will have 23, that means the first value, that's 23,000 and 2003, and then my next text record will start. So that's 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, for the second text record, it will start from 2000. So 2001, 2 and 3, and then 3, 4, 5 for the next text record. So it was quite simple. I hope you understood it. Thank you.